Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your IDFC mutual funds account. To do so, just follow some simple steps with me and you can log into your account as well. First of all, open up your Google browser and then go onto your search bar and just type for IDFC mutual funds login and hit on enter. After doing so, many results will pop up on your screen. Click on the link that says IDFC First Bank Mutual Fund Investment Plan, and then you will check to the official website of IDFC First Bank. And here on the top right corner of your screen, you can see a login button. If you hover your mouse over it, you can see a small pop-up appear. Now just click on login again. After that, you'll be taken to it, where now you need to input your personal details to help you in logging into your account. And here you need to input your mobile number. Just input your mobile number here and then click on proceed to login. After that, an OTP will be sent to your phone. And then you need to enter the OTP that you received on your website, and after that, you will be taken into a different interface where now you need to input your username and password again to continue officially to your IDFC First Bank. Just input your credentials correctly and then tap on continue or proceed to login, and then you'll be logged in into your IDFC First Bank. And that's how you can log in into your IDFC First Bank. I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.